friends, we are coming here from the Animal Kingdom. Today we're having lunch at the Yak Yeti. It's the day before Thanksgiving. It's pretty packed. Let's go.
It's only a 240-minute wait for Flight of Passage. You want to ride? No, neither.
Yeah. Just here for lunch. The Yak Yeti opened November 14th, 2007 and is the only non-Disney restaurant inside the park. The sights, sounds, and energy of this novel dining destination will transport guests to another culture. The moment you arrive at Yak Yeti, you will feel like you stepped into an authentic Himalayan village. It's a place to immerse yourself in a culture that is mysterious, exotic, and exciting. The Yak Yeti is a table service restaurant offering Pan-Asian cuisine in the Asia section of Disney's Animal Kingdom. Disney's Imagineers designed it for an elaborate and intriguing backstory to blend into the Asia area. And I'll leave a link in the description if you'd like to explore this amazing backstory of the Yak Yeti.
Gil and I are going to share wok fried green beans, battered green beans, and sweet Thai chili dipping sauce, and some garlic noodles. And for my entree, I'm gonna have chicken tikka masala. That's boneless chicken breast, marinated in yogurt and freshly ground herbs, cooked in traditional masala sauce with jasmine rice and garlic naan.
I'm gonna have the Korean fried chicken. Hand-breaded tenders tossed in gochujang maple syrup. The chicken is very tender, and it's definitely hand-dipped here. It's not frozen or anything like that. It's a very light crust. Very delicious. And how is yours?
Delicious. The tikka masala has spice to it, but my mouth isn't like on fire or anything. They're not shy about the naan bread. There's plenty of that. So good. It's all delicious.
Man, that was good. I am full. Did all right yourself.
It's all delicious.
Yes.
What did you think of the Yak Yeti your first time?
It's probably one of my favorite restaurants here in the parks.
Delicious.
It is. The Korean chicken was great.
That chicken was amazingly tender. Like, I couldn't even believe it. But after you said it was tender and I tasted it, I thought,
yeah,
oh my
no,
God. Wow.
I'm definitely stoked to come back again.
Yeah.
Okay.
We need to try desserts. We were too full for dessert.
It was very filling. We didn't even finish the noodles.
No. To be honest, the noodles for me are my least favorite part. The garlic noodles, they were a bit too salty for me. But I am from a household where we didn't add salt to anything, so I might be a little, lopsided in my judgment. Did you think they were salty?
I would say, yeah, a little salty.
A little salty. So I probably would get those again, but I definitely want to try some of the other noodle dishes, just not that particular garlic noodle dish.
Yep, I agree.
Right, let's go celebrate the Festival of the Lion King.
Let's do it. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon and the lights are already on. I don't recognize these. Are these here for the holidays?
Yeah, they're not usually here, so they must be holiday decor. I like them.
Yeah.
I like them a lot.
Friends, that's going to wrap it up for this episode. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And on behalf of Laura and myself, have a very happy Thanksgiving.
Cluck, cluck.
Laters.
Do turkeys cluck?
I think so. Gobble, gobble.
No, gobble, gobble. Scratch that, you guys. Gobble, gobble.